That is weird. Anybody see that? Look. What is that? Is that because of the... Wait, why is it doing that? Why is there smoke coming out of the ground? Huh, I've never actually seen that before. I've never seen that before. Anybody ever seen that before? I've never seen smoke come out of from the ground before. That is really cool. But I've never seen that before. What the hell? Maybe it's because it was sunny, and now that it's raining, I can feel the heat. That is really interesting. I've never seen that before. Look at that. I can feel the heat coming up. I guess honestly, I don't know what that is. Maybe it's just because the water's... That is just really weird. That's like... Huh. That is really weird. I've never seen that before, ever. I've never seen that before. I can feel the heat though. Huh. I guess the heat from the road, it's coming off because I can feel that heat. What the hell is that heat coming from? It ain't the vehicle. There. I still feel the heat. It's like a, look, it's like a little, look at that. How weird that is. Look at the road specifically. Look at that. Look, you can see it coming off the road. That looks so cool. I don't know what that is, but you cannot tell me that doesn't kind of look badass. It's like the road is on fire, but it's probably because of the heat of the road and then it raining. That's the only thing I could think of. And I'm probably right too, but that is weird. Why, this thing stood yesterday, why ain't it staying today? Weird. But that is weird seeing the smoke coming off the road like that. That is really cool looking. I can feel the heat coming off that road. Huh, I've never seen that before. Never. I've never ever seen that before. That looks freaking badass. Look at that. It's like the road's on fire, but it's not. That is really cool. Would you shush? There's also more storms coming, so I'm gonna record that too.